Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Zombies in your browser. Many dedicated fans have created browser-based versions, often called demakes, that bring the classic zombie survival experience directly to you. These unofficial games allow you to jump into the action quickly, battling hordes of the undead, without needing to download or install any large files. It's a fantastic way to enjoy the core gameplay loop with ease. To find these browser-based zombie games, simply use a search engine to look for terms like Call of Duty Zombies Demake or NZP Zombies Browser. You'll often find dedicated websites such as NZP, Jai that host these games. Just navigate to the site, and with a compatible web browser that supports WebGL, you can start playing almost instantly. No complex setup is required. These browser adaptations faithfully recreate many core gameplay mechanics. You'll face endless waves of zombies, with each round increasing in difficulty. Points earned from kills allow you to purchase new weapons from wall buys or open up additional sections of the map. Don't forget the iconic mystery box, offering a chance at powerful, randomized weapons to aid your survival. For the best experience, use a modern web browser such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. A stable internet connection is crucial to prevent lag during intense zombie encounters. Most browser versions use standard keyboard controls for movement, aiming, and shooting, making them easy to pick up. Dive in and see how many rounds you can survive against the relentless undead.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.